Unit second, trigonometry, part C. So question first is find the principal values of find the principal values of following. If sine cos inverse of -1/2. So for this, let us consider this sine cos inverse of -1/2. Let cos inverse of -1/2 is equal to theta. Hence, by definition of inverse function, cos theta is equal to -1/2. Hence, minus sine and minus cos theta is equal to 1/2. But since we know that cos 180 minus theta is equal to minus cos theta and cos 60 degree is equal to 1/2. Hence, minus cos theta is the cos 180 minus theta and 1/2 is the cos 60 degree. Hence, on equating both sides, we get 180 degree minus theta is equal to 60 degree. Hence, Hence 180 minus theta is the 60 degree. Hence theta is equal to 180 minus 60 degree. But 180 minus 60 is equal to 120 degree is the theta. Now we have to find out this sine cos inverse of -1/2 is equal to sine cos inverse of -1/2 is the theta and sine, but theta is equal to 120 degree since theta is equal to 120 degree. And but 120 degree is 180 minus 60 degree, and since sine 180 minus theta is equal to sine theta, means sine 180 minus 60 degree is the sine 60 degree, but sine which is is the value of sine 60 degree? Sine 60 degree is root 3 upon 2. Root 3 upon 2 is the answer. Hence, last we write as sine cos inverse of minus 1 by 2 is equal to root 3 upon 2 is the answer. Then we study fourth example. Example 4. Find the principal value of cos pi by 2 minus sine inverse of 1 by 2. So, first upon, let us consider that this cos pi by 2 minus sine inverse of 1 by 2. Let consider sine inverse of 1 by 2 is equal to theta. Hence, consider cos pi by 2 minus sine inverse of 1 by 2 equal to cos pi by 2 minus sine inverse of 1 by 2 is the theta, so pi by 2 minus theta. But since we know that cos pi by 2 minus theta is equal to sine theta, hence cos pi by 2 minus theta is the sine theta. But we know that theta is the sine inverse of 1 by 2, but we know that sine inverse of x is equal to x, hence sine inverse of 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2, hence 1 by 2 is the answer. Hence, cos pi by 2 minus sine inverse of 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Hence, principal value of cos pi by 2 minus sine inverse of 1 by 2, which is equal to 1 by 2. Then we give next example. Example 5. Sine pi by 2 minus cos inverse of 1 by 2. So, let us consider this sine pi by 2 minus cos inverse of 1 by 2. Let consider cos inverse of 1 by 2 is equal to theta. Then now sin pi by 2 minus cos inverse of 1 by 2 is equal to sin pi by 2 minus, but cos inverse of 1 by 2 is the theta, so sin pi by 2 minus theta. But since sin pi by 2 minus theta is equal to cos theta, hence sin pi by 2 minus theta is the cos theta. But here theta is the cos inverse of 1 by 2, since theta is equal to cos inverse of 1 by 2, but since we know that cos inverse of x is equal to x, hence cos inverse of 1 by 2 is the 1 by 2, hence this answer is 1 by 2. Hence principal values of this is 1 by 2. Hence sin pi by 2 minus cos inverse of 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 is the answer. Then we studied second example. Find the principal value of tan inverse of root 3. So let's consider tan inverse of root 3 is equal to theta. Hence tan theta is equal to root 3. But tan theta is positive, here all positive, sin positive, cos positive, here tan positive. Hence we know that means tangent ratio पॉझिटिव्ह कोणत्या क्वाड्रंटमध्ये येणार, फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड अँड फोर्थ. सो टॅन थिटा दिस अँड दिस क्वाड्रंटमध्ये पॉझिटिव्ह असणार, ऑल पॉझिटिव्ह म्हणजे टॅन थिटा पॉझिटिव्ह, हेन्स फर्स्ट अँड थर्ड क्वाड्रंट. Hence we know that tangent ratio is positive in first and third quadrant. Then in first quadrant we have first quadrant मध्ये which is the ratio root 3 in which angle, in first quadrant tan pi by 3 or 60 degree is equal to, since tan 60 degree is equal to root 3, Hence theta is equal to pi by 3 or 60 degree. Also in third quadrant मध्ये कोणता रेशो √3 असणार? tan 240 means tan 240 means 180 plus 60 degree, but tan 180 plus 60 degree is the tan 60 degree. Tan 180 plus theta is the tan theta, but tan 60 degree is the √3, and here we get two values in first quadrant and in third quadrant. So here we get two values of theta. Theta is equal to 60 degree or pi by 3, and theta is equal to 240 degree or 4 pi by 3 are two values of theta. But which is the principal value? But which is the principal value of theta? Principal value is the smallest value, means principal value of theta is the smallest of above two values. Smallest of above two values. या दोघांमध्ये smallest is 60 degree, so is the principal value is 60 degree. Hence principal value of tan inverse of √3 is equal to 60 degree, or 60 degree means pi by 3. Then we study next example. Next example, example third. Find the principal value of sec cos inverse of √3 upon 2. So consider this sec cos inverse of √3 upon 2. Hence let consider as cos inverse of √3 upon 2 is equal to theta. Hence cos theta is equal to √3 upon 2. But we know that cos 60 degree means cos pi upon 6 is equal to √3 upon 2. Hence cos theta is equal to cos pi by 6. On equating this equation, theta is equal to pi upon 6. Now sec cos inverse of root 3 upon 2 is equal to sec cos inverse of root 3 upon 2 is the theta, so sec theta, but theta is equal to pi theta is equal to pi upon 6, but sec 60 degree means pi upon 6 is equal to 2 upon root 3, and which is the answer. Hence principal value of sec cos inverse of root 3 upon 2 is equal to 2 upon root 3. Then we give next example. Example 4. Using principal value, find the value of cos inverse of minus 1 by 2 minus sin inverse of 1 by 2. Let consider as cos inverse of minus 1 by 2 consider as theta 1, and sin inverse of 1 by 2 consider as is equal to theta 2. Hence, using principal values, find the value of, let cos inverse of minus 1 by 2 consider as theta 1, and sin inverse of 1 by 2 consider as theta 2. Hence cos theta 1 is equal to minus 1 by 2, and sin theta 2 is equal to 1 by 2. But here minus cos theta 1 is equal to 1 by 2, and sin theta 2 1 by 2 is the, since sin 30 degree means sin pi upon 6 is equal to 1 by 2, and sin theta 2 is the sin pi upon 6, but minus cos theta is the cos pi minus theta, so pi minus theta 1 is equal to 1 by 2, and theta 2 is equal to pi by 6. Hence, but 1 by 2 is the cos pi by 3 is equal to 1 by 2, since cos 60 or cos pi by 3 is equal to 1 by 2. Hence pi minus theta 1 is equal to pi by 3. Hence theta 1 is equal to pi minus pi by 3 plus pi by 3, but which is equal to 3 into pi. 3 pi minus pi is the 2 pi upon 3. Now consider this: cos inverse of minus 1 by 2 minus sine inverse of 1 by 2 is equal to cos inverse of this is theta 1 and sine inverse of 1 by 2 is the theta 2, but theta 1 is 2 pi by 3 and by above theta 2 is pi by 6 by above result. So याचा डिनॉमिनेटर सेम करायचा आहे. सो 6 is the denominator. 3 into 2 6, so 2 into 2 4 pi minus pi is the 4 pi minus 1 is the 3 pi upon 6 is equal to pi upon 2. Hence this principal value is pi by 2. Hence principal value of cos inverse of minus pi by minus 1 by 2 principal value of cos inverse of minus 1 by 2 principal value of cos inverse minus sine inverse of 1 by 2 is pi by 2. Then we give the next example. Then next example is prove that 2 tan inverse of x is equal to tan inverse of 2x upon 1 minus x square. So first we know that tan 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. Hence 2 theta is equal to tan inverse of 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. This is first equation. Then put tan theta is equal to x. Hence theta is equal to tan inverse of x. So from equation 1 to theta, theta means tan inverse of x is equal to tan inverse of 2 tan theta means x, 2x upon 1 minus tan square theta means x square, and this is the proof of this equation. Hence 2 tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse of 2x upon 1 minus x square, hence proved. Then we studied next example. If tan inverse of 1 plus tan inverse of x is equal to 0, then find the value of x. Then first is given that tan inverse of 1 plus tan inverse of x is equal to 0, but tan inverse of 1 means tan ची कोणता अँगल 1 आहे, so it is 45 degree means pi upon 4. Hence here pi upon 4 plus tan inverse of x is equal to 0. Hence tan inverse of x is equal to minus pi upon 4. Hence x is equal to tan of minus pi by 4. Since if tan inverse of x is equal to theta, then x is equal to tan theta. Hence is equal to minus tan pi by 4. Since tan minus theta is equal to minus tan theta, means tan minus theta is the minus tan theta, means minus tan pi by 4, but tan 45 degree means tan pi by 4 is the 1, hence minus 1, hence x is equal to minus 1 is the answer. Since tan pi by 4 is equal to 1. Then we study next example. If tan x is equal to 5 upon 6, tan y is equal to 1 upon 11, then show that x plus y is equal to pi upon 4. So first upon given that tan x is equal to 5 upon 6 and tan y is equal to 1 upon 11. Hence x is equal to tan inverse of pi 5 upon 6 and y is equal to tan inverse of 1 upon 11. But since we know that tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y then here we find out x plus y. So x plus y is equal to x is the tan inverse of 5 upon 6 plus tan inverse of 1 upon 11. Since tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y upon 1 minus x into y. If x greater than 0, y greater than 0 and xy is by this property, tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y means 5 upon 6 plus 1 upon 11 upon 1 minus 5 upon 6 into 1 upon 11. Hence, which is equal to tan inverse of 11 into 5, 55 plus 6 into 1, 6 upon 11 into 6, 66 upon 1 minus 5 into 1, 5, 6 into 11, 66. Then hence which is equal to tan inverse of 15 plus 6 is the 61 upon 66 and 66 into 1, 66 minus 5 is the 61 upon 66. So this and this will get cancelled, hence which is equal to tan inverse of 1. But which angle has value, which angle of tan has value 1, which is tan 45 degree means pi upon 4 is the tan inverse of 1. Hence x plus y is equal to pi upon 4. Then we give next example. Prove that tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus tan inverse of 1 by 3 is equal to pi upon 4. So to prove that tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus tan inverse of 1 by 3 is equal to pi upon 4. So here first we consider LHS side, which is equal to tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus tan inverse of 1 by 3. But we know that tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y upon 1 minus xy, where x greater than 0, y greater than 0 and xy less than 1. Here x is equal to 1 by 2 is greater than 0 and y is equal to 1 by 3, which also greater than 0, and x into y means x is 1 by 2 into y is 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 6, which is less than 1. Hence first we consider tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus tan inverse of 1 by 3 is equal to tan inverse of x plus y means 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. Here x is the 1 by 2 and y is 1 by 3 upon 1 minus x 1 by 2 into y. Then find out this value. Find out this value is equal to tan inverse of 3 into 3, 3 plus 2 into 1, 2, 3 into 2, 6 upon 1 minus 1 into 1, 1, 3 into 2, 6, which is equal to tan inverse of 3 plus 2, 5 upon 6 into 1, 6 minus 1, 5 upon 6. So 5 upon 6 is the 1, but tan inverse of 1 means which angle is 1? Its angle is 1 is equal to pi by 4. Tan inverse of 1 is the 45 degree, hence tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus tan inverse of 1 by 3, hence this equation is proved.